Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily create a barcode in Google Sheets. So, first things first, open up Google Sheets and type in whatever text you want to turn into a barcode. Once that's done, go to the next cell and type equals star and A1 and star dash dash. Just make sure you replace A1 with the address of your text cell. Hit enter and boom. Now go to your fonts. Click on More Fonts and choose Libre Barcode 39 text. And there you have it. Your text is now a barcode. Super simple, right? If this helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech tips from NextGen Tutorials.